If you want to hard reset your Google Pixel 10a with recovery mode, then what you can do is, first of all, we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. There we go. Now over here we should be able to find the restart option. So we're gonna tap on it, but once you tap on the restart, you want to press and hold volume down. So tap on restart and then press and hold volume down. Now keep holding volume down all the time until you open the fast boot mode, which usually appears after a couple of seconds. And there we go. Now in here we need to navigate by using volume buttons and search for recovery mode. Once recovery mode is written over here, you want to press power button to confirm your choice. Your phone will restart and it will try to go to the recovery mode, but you will see probably this no command screen. In this case, you want to press and hold power button, and once you hold power button, press volume up. So press and hold power and then press volume up. There we go. Now here we have the Android recovery. And in here, once again, just like in the fast boot mode, we navigate with volume button, and we need to go to the wipe data / factory reset and then confirm by pressing the power button. Over here, we need to confirm that we want to do that by using the factory data reset option. And just like before, just confirm with the power button once you select it. And in case you go back to the main menu of the recovery mode after resetting, you need to simply reboot your system. So make sure that reboot system now is selected and press the power button to restart your phone and go back into the normal mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.